In today's video, I will show you how to add structure to this mini Yakult bag. I noticed that when I carry the bag, the top of the flap will fold in half, creating this house-shaped bag. It's still cute, but I wanted to retain the box shape. So this is what I did. It's pretty simple. All you do is take off the stitches on the side of the flap, then chuck a piece of plastic sheet inside, and re-sew the sides shut. So if you want to go one level more, you can sew on elastics onto the side flaps, and this will pull the sides inwards and help retain the boxy shape. One last thing that you can do, optional, is adding a back bottom. Bend it into this shape and shove it down the bag. So this is what I did to make the bag turn into a boxy shape, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Drink Yakult, it's good for you. Bye.